Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking the foundations: Python, linear algebra, and basic probability. Start coding now. Open a Jupyter notebook and implement simple vector ops so you see math run. Once done, install a virtual environment and get to track experiments. This prevents lost work and messy dependencies. Make sure to practice small scripts daily because repetition builds intuition. By starting with concrete code and minimal tooling, you avoid paralysis and gain momentum in the very first session. Once you have basics, progress into full project cycles. Collect or load data, clean it, and engineer features that capture signal. Then pick simple models first, logistic regression, trees, so you understand trade-offs. Later, add neural networks to handle complexity. Make sure to evaluate with cross-validation and clear metrics like accuracy, precision, recall. As you iterate, document hyperparameters and experiments in a notebook. This repetition teaches diagnosis, why a model fails, and which change actually improves results. To finish, package a working model into an API and deploy it to a simple host or container. This closes the loop between research and product. Then add reproducibility. Use data versioning, CI pipelines, and fix seeds so results are traceable. If things go wrong, troubleshoot systematically. First, reproduce the failure locally, then isolate whether data, preprocessing, or model changes cause the issue. Make sure to log inputs and metrics. Reproducible experiments cut debugging time and build reliable models.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.